Don't you wish managing your money was as easy as clicking a button? Rocket Money promises to do just that, helping you track your spending, manage subscriptions, and save money. But when it comes to using the platform, you have a choice: the mobile app or the desktop web interface. Which one is right for your financial habits? We're diving into the key differences between the Rocket Money app and the desktop experience to help you decide where you should be spending your time and saving your money. First, let's talk access and design. The mobile app is all about convenience. It's slick, colorful, and perfect for quick checks on the go. Want to see your latest transaction while you're standing in line, or get a balance alert? The app is your instant snapshot. The desktop version, however, offers a much larger canvas. This makes it ideal for a deep dive, big picture analysis. If you're running a detailed financial review, setting complex budgets, or just prefer a spreadsheet-like overview of your accounts, the desktop screen real estate is unbeatable. Next is feature parity, and this is where things get interesting. For a long time, the core budgeting, subscription tracking, and transaction viewing were comparable. You'd find all your connected accounts and spending insights in both places. However, Rocket Money has evolved, and now, access to the full, rich set of features, especially the premium ones, is often better integrated into both platforms. The desktop version really shines for tasks like data export. If you need to pull your transactions into a spreadsheet for tax purposes or custom analysis, doing it on the desktop is far more efficient than on a small phone screen. Conversely, some advanced transaction management tools, like splitting transactions between categories, are often cited as being much smoother to handle on the web. A key distinction to remember is the premium tier. While the free mobile app gives you essential tools like subscription tracking and spend insights, the full desktop experience is generally reserved for premium members. If you're a premium member, you get that powerful desktop access alongside your fully featured mobile app. So, how do you choose? Use the mobile app for your daily routine, checking balances, reviewing immediate spending, getting real-time alerts, and using the simple interface for quick categorization. Use the desktop web for your weekly or monthly deep dives, setting up new, complex budget rules, exporting data, getting a detailed view of your net worth, or just when you want to feel like a financial analyst with a full monitor of data. In short, think of the app as your financial pocket tool and the desktop as your command center. Both work together to keep your finances in check, but they each excel in different situations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.